Welcome. In this tutorial we are going to find the area of a circle using function in Python. To do that we are going to start by importing the pi. So from math import pi. Next we need to define the function that we are going to use to find the area of a circle. So def circle, our function in this case will be called circle. Then we need the radius of the circle. So the r, we call it r, equals to, we can give it a value of 5. Then we need to return. The formula for finding the area of a circle is given as pi r squared. So we are going to return pi r squared, r to the power of 2, that is r squared. And then we need to call the function and to store it in a variable k that we are going to use next to print the output. So k equals circle, and then we can print k to get the area of this circle. So then we can now run the program to find the area of this circle. Yes, the output is here, and we have the area of our circle as 78 point, all those numbers. So remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.